This is so well organized. Oh, guys, I love it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be bringing another video to you guys this week. This time I'm gonna clean under my bathroom cabinets. I promise all my videos are not gonna be just bathroom related videos, but I'm trying to do one room at a time and slowly but surely complete them and just show you things that you can do. These videos are more for those who have an older home. My home was built in like 1950s or 60s, so it's pretty old. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a great big thumbs up and hit that bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Hey guys, so first I'm gonna start. Me and Jayla is gonna declutter under this cabinet. We're gonna take everything out so we can start organizing and cleaning underneath. Okay guys, all done. Look at the dirt under here. So I discovered I had this lime away. Let's tackle these stains here on these pipes or whatever and get down to the nitty gritty. Oh, and a little heavy duty fantastic. Check out my pink gloves. I purchased this 100 pack off Amazon. Love them. Now I'm going to do a good little wipe down and a deep scrub to get rid of any dirt that I can with the wipes. Okay guys, so it's time to bring out this primer that I already had. So I'm going to prime the cabinet first. Okay, let's give it a nice little stare. Okay, it's time to paint and a nice little arm workout. Now that I have it all primed, I'm going to use a pure white paint to finish the job. I purchased all my paint and all my painting supplies from Home Depot. Oh wow guys, take a look. I totally love it. Here it is, all dry. This is perfect, a nice clean bathroom cabinet. So since I want to organize, I ran around the house and found some different items that I already had on hand that I can use for under the sink. Take a look at the pipes. They came out great. Look at the shiny silver, totally love it. The back looks good and the bottom as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and just line the bottom with this liner that I got from the Dollar Tree. Fits perfectly. I'm so excited to have this super caddy on hand. It will fit perfect under here for all of my cleaning goods for the bathroom. A little vinegar for natural cleaning. Magic erasers, I totally love these things. I love the way everything fits, and it's so easy to just grab what you need and start cleaning for the day. Now I'm going to use my little red basket. It will fit perfectly next to the blue one. And I have a little clear storage thing that will store my personal items. Perfect. Here it is, all finished. I absolutely love it. Everything fits perfectly and it's so easy to reach. If you haven't had a chance to organize under your sink, guys, please do. It's very easy and it doesn't take long at all.
Hi guys, so I have Jayla with me. She decided to come and say hello. She's not feeling well today, so yeah, that's why she looks so... But yeah, she's getting better. Are you getting better?
Yeah.
Yes, oh yeah. Bye guys.
Already?
It's time to go. Video's over.
Okay.